40 English questions with common traps and twists. Are you ready to take the challenge? What does have the bit between your teeth mean? Answer C. Be determined. What does not know chalk from cheese mean? Answer B. Be clueless. Find the best synonym of bleak. Answer C. Gloomy. Choose the synonym of context. Answer D. Situation. Opposite of industrious. Answer A. Lazy. What is the opposite of candid? Answer B. Dishonest. What is the plural of basis? Answer B. Bases. What is the plural form of process? Answer C. Processes. Fill in the blank. Answer A. He is studying economics at university. Complete the sentence. Answer C. She was deeply impressed by the architecture. Pick the past tense of dive. Answer B. Dove. What is the past form of cost? Answer D. Cost. Choose the past form of look. Answer A. Looked. How do you spell this word? Answer C. Collection. Pick the correct spelling. Answer A. Communicate. What's the correct spelling? Answer B. Evident. What is the antonym of reinforce? Answer D. Weaken. Opposite of optimistic. Answer A. Pessimistic. What is the antonym of induce? Answer C. Deter. What word is closest to tidy? Answer B. Neat. Choose the synonym for share. Answer D. Divide. Find the best synonym of right. Answer B. Correct. What does have a bone to pick mean? Answer C. Complain. What does all of a sudden mean? Answer A. Suddenly. What does come hell or high water mean? Answer B. No matter what. What is the past form of appreciate? Answer C. Appreciated. Choose the past form of bleed. Answer A. Bled. How do you form the past of throw? Answer C. Through. Choose the correct past form of administer. Answer D. Administered. What is the plural of aquarium? Answer A. Aquaria. Choose the correct plural form of child. Answer B. Children. Select the correct plural form of silk. Answer A. No plural. What is the plural of wood? Answer D. Woods. Fill in the blank. Answer C. Only after he had finished his work did he realize his mistake. Complete the phrase. Answer A. They would help you if you were polite. Choose the correct preposition. Answer B. He sold all his shares. Find the correct option. Answer C. Triangular. Which spelling is correct? Answer A. Architecture. Which spelling is correct? Answer C. Resemble. Spot the correct spelling. Answer B. Predict. Congratulations! You did a great job! Tell us your score in the comments. Like and subscribe for more quizzes.